have a secret, interesting way of cooking Indomie that I actually kind of like, but is very strange. All you need is a packet of Indomie, whichever one you like, or not Indomie, noodles actually. You just need noodles, any type you like. I'm going to be using this one. And no, this video is not sponsored. And all you also need is onions and tomatoes, and it actually blends really well, and it's a very simple method of eating. It doesn't overcook the tomatoes and the onions because I really love that crunch. So let me show you how I do it. Okay, let's begin. First, what you need is a pot of boiling water, which it is boiling. It doesn't look boiling, but it is boiling. And you put in your onions and your tomatoes. That is the very first step. What you need to do is just let it boil for a while until it blanches slightly, and then we put in the Indomie. Maybe just 1 minute is enough, or 1 minute 30 seconds. And now that it's gone on for enough, I can put in the Indomie and wait for it to crack up. Yeah, this is going to take some time. And now that it's nice and soft, what we do is we put in the spice. If you like the chili, I don't mind the chili, so I'm going to put in a little bit of chili as well. Okay, now some of the chili, not too much. Yeah. And then once that's done, you cover it up and let it boil for a while. Here you go, just cover it and give it some time to boil. A small step that I forgot to add is that you can drain out some of the excess water if you don't like it to be very soupy, and it can be a separate soup. Let me show you. You can just drain out some of that excess water. It can make a nice soup for later. That is if you really like it nice and crunchy. And then let's put it back. Now this is the final phase, just cooking it right down. Now that it's done, you can set it aside to eat. Let's eat. Now that it's done, you have yourself a nice Indomie, and I must say this is my own personal recipe, and since I'm an amateur chef, please don't judge too harshly. But I like it. I still think it's nice. And you also get a soup if you like some soup. If not, you can always just put it in the fire until it becomes as little as possible and you can put it back in. But I like it like this, so let's try and don't judge. Let's see. Let's eat. Yes. I like it. Okay. It's actually really nice. The onions are still crunchy. It has an interesting flavor. The Indomie itself is really soft already. So I think it's really nice itself. Okay. It's nice, it's delicious. Oh, I'm going to finish it. Okay, you can always try this recipe whenever you want. It's not good, it's not professional, but it's nice if you're on a small budget. You can always just have this for your meal and then drink some soup. It has to cool down first, but yeah, I like it. So yeah, that is simple recipe Indomie.